Live on KKFM, and as you know, we're here, party. We're still in, man, in the book launch of Bishop Utwala, The Art of Starting Early. How powerful. So we're having the daughters, man. They're having the daughters, man. How they're beautiful, eh? Ngathi umuntu oyi-one. Sanibona ninjani?
Siyaphila kunjani?
Siyaphila. Ngubani igama?
Sinothile.
Sinothile. And wena ngubani igama?
Amahle.
Amahle. So namuhla si-launcha incwadi kababa. How do you feel?
First of all, I'm very proud of my dad.
Yes.
And I'm also very grateful for everyone who came to support the launch. And again, it's all by the grace of God. Thank you.
Yes. What are your words to your dad?
Nyakuthanda babami, and like I'm very happy for you.
Yes.
I hope this book
Yes.
makes us money. Huh? Si happy endlini, and we are just hoping for more.
For more.
Yeah.
The book that you're talking about, that you want it to make money, have you read it though?
Definitely, yeah.
What's your favorite part with it?
The whole book.
Just pick one.
The first chapter.
Yeah. What does it say?
Isho loco extra.
Have you read the book, Father's Book though?
Guys, to be honest,
Yeah.
I read the first chapter where I saw my name and I was like, the whole book has to be good. It's my dad. It's my dad, you know? Yeah.
What was the book saying about you?
Oh, about me, it was just, I mean, it had to say more, but then it just said like I'm the daughter, the first daughter. But being feeling as being funny about shoot like favorite daughter, soon to be another author, you know. Yeah. No, because we have to carry on the legacy. Yeah.
Are you also a writer? Are you looking forward to be a writer?
I do, but thing is, I'm more into music, but I don't mind writing any books. Yeah,
What kind of music are you doing?
gospel, rap, anything.
He does with a line of a rap gospel.
The God is mighty, holy and mighty.
Yeah.
No one is like him. He's always mighty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we're going in, man. What is it that you're looking forward to? What is it that you'd say after the event? This was the event. This is what we were looking forward to at our father's event.
Knowing more about the book and learning more about him in the book. Yeah.
And there are a lot of people who are here supporting your daddy. What can you say to them? All of these people who are here.
Thank you. It is very hard to plan an event then people do not show up, but for the people who came and showed up, we really appreciate it, and we'll remember you guys. And when we write another book, we'll put each one of your guys in that book for coming and supporting my dad. Thank you.
That's nice, man. Last words to your daddy. What can you say to dad, man?
I love you so much. You don't know, boy. I love you.
What can you say to your dad, man?
First of all, top dog, you know.
Yeah.
Long live T.E. Twala and stuff. And also the book made it to awards. I just forgot what awards. Yes. So guys, please vote. But he's still gonna say, but like he was nominated for those awards. So very proud of
I
him.
didn't know. I would have asked. But where are we voting? What are SM missing to?
We just only found out like last week. So I think he's still gonna say in his pages. So just like you guys should just like keep on following and then he'll say.
Last one, man. It's the last question. What kind of a person your dad is?
He's like, he knows what he wants. Don't do a mistake. Do not do a mistake. And he's a loving person, bubbly. He's like a father to everyone, and he's so loving.
Yeah. You can add.
As she said, man of perfection. He wants his things to be up to date, and also he is such a loving guy. He's so forgiving. I don't want to have his heart because. Hey, he's an example of lay your table in front of your enemies. And me, my enemies are for the streets, but like love him.
What is it that you did and he forgave you? He's forgiving.
Like not doing things to perfection, like at church. I'm in the worshipping team, and he doesn't want any mistakes. Once you make a mistake, you know his big eyes, like mine. He looks at you once, and you know it's over. At home, but like, yeah. Love him, still love him.
I'd want us to say something. Can you come closer? I'd like to say KKFM Vugandota.
KKFM Vugandota.
You know the story.